Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Drafter Cad Cam tutorial. Now I want to show you how to create 3D exercise 7 using SolidWorks software. And if you see on this picture, we have a few exercise 7. This is if we are already create all of the sketch of this part. I'm sorry. After that, on this exercise 7, I separate this view to view. The first view is from side view. This is a first view. After that, on the first sections view, we have a two circle here, and the diameter of the circle is 30 millimeter. This is from top section. After that, on the bottom we have a circle too with the same diameter 30 millimeter, and the distance of the bottom until the top circle is 120 millimeter. After that, on this center point of this view, we have a separate circle. Actually, the diameter of the separate circle is 30 millimeter, both of them, from the top view and the bottom view, and the distance of the separate circle is 55 millimeter. After that, on the second section view, this is from top view, and if you see on this sketch, we have a hole here with the dimension inside is 60 millimeter and the outside is 62 millimeter. After that, we have a 4 circle too on the top and the bottom, and the dimension of this hole inside of this hole is 9 millimeter, and outside is 17 millimeter. And on this tutorial, I want to show you how to create this exercise from, maybe we can start from side view. Okay, so let me start to create the sketch. First, you can open this SolidWorks software. After that, you can select on the front plane and sketch. Like usually, we can create the center line here, vertical center line and horizontal center line. After that, you can create circle on here, and we can define the circle is 30 millimeter. After that, because I just want to create just one circle, so we can separate the total distance of this circle, 120 millimeter divided by 2, because I just create one circle, so we can separate from, or we can divide it from a center line. Okay, so we can give a dimension distance from this point until this center point, 120 millimeter divided by 2, so we have 60 millimeter. After that, you can go to mirror entities, select this circle, and on the mirror about you can select horizontal line. Okay, look, the circle already copies to bottom of this hole of this circle, sorry. After that, we can see again on the sketch, and if we see on the sketch, we have a separate hole, the main separate hole here, and the distance from this outside of this circle until this separate circle is 5 millimeter. So we can use the command offset entities of, or you can use circle again to create the separate hole with the dimension is 5 millimeter. So I want to use offset entities to create the separate circle. Okay, you can, on the parameter, you can define 5 millimeter. You can select this line and this line. Okay, after that, select line and connect it to this point and this point. Okay, and line again to this point and this point. Okay, after that, you can go to trim entities and trim this line and this line. Make sure you don't erase or you don't trim this circle on the top of the circle, so you can trim the line carefully. Okay, after that we can create the separate center hole here, and the dimension is 30mm too, and the distance is 55mm. Okay, we can create here, and we can define 30mm too, like before because I just create a one circle here. So after that we can use the mirror entities to copy this circle to the bottom of this horizontal line. So we can use smart dimension and divide the distance and divide it by 2. So because the distance is 55mm divided by 2, so we have 27.5mm. Okay, after that goes to mirror entities. Select this circle, mirror about, and select horizontal line. Okay, after that goes to line again and connect it this point and this point on the right side, this point and this point. Okay, okay, so they are already created. After that you can go to trim entities again and trim this line and this line. Okay, so the first cut already created, so we can use the extruded boss to make this cut to be a 3 dimensions. And because I don't input the total thickness of this scat, total length, sorry, of this scat, actually this distance from this line and this line is 78mm, but I forget to input the distance, so you can give this distance is the distance is 78mm. Okay, you can go to the features and extrude boss. After that, on the direction you can select mid plane, and the dimension you can define 78mm. Okay, look, so the first scat already created. But if you see again on this scat on here, actually we have a fully solid sections on here. But if you see on the SolidWorks, and this is a to be hole, so we can convert first this hole to be a solid sections. Okay, to close these sections to be a solid view. Okay, after that you can go to front plane again. Okay, from front plane, and you can scat on front plane here. Okay, after that select this line, sorry, you can try again. Select this line, this line, this line, and this line. Convert entities. Sorry, something wrong. You can try again. Select this separate line, this line, this line, and this line. Convert entities. Okay, look, so the scat already created on the center of this so of the part. Okay, after that you can go to features again and extrude boss. We can see again on this cat here. Actually, if you see on this cat, the distance of this face until this face is 2.5mm on the foot of this side of this part. So the total distance from here is 2.5mm plus 2.5mm, so we have 5mm. Okay, so we can minus 5mm on here. On the direction you can select mid plane, and the diameter is 78mm minus 5mm, so we have 73mm. Okay, Look, so they're already created, and if you try to measure the distance, you can go to evaluate, and you can see the distance is 2.5 millimeter. Look, there is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, they're already created. After that, I want to create on the second sketch here. The first sketch already created. After that, on the second sketch, I want to create the big hole first on the center of this exercise. You can see on here, and the distance is, and the diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, you can select this face and sketch. After that, you can create center line again like this. Okay, and create line, and we can define here is 60 millimeter. Sorry, maybe 62 millimeter. I'm sorry, 62 millimeter. Okay, after that, create hole again on here, and the diameter is 9 millimeter. We can define here 9 millimeter. Okay, and the distance from top circle until the bottom circle is 60 millimeter. I'm sorry, and from the left until the right is 39 millimeter. Okay, we can create this hole, just one hole, and we can separate and divide by 2 the distance of this hole, so we can give a smart dimensions. Here to here is 39 divided by 2, and this point to the horizontal line. You can try again. This point to this point is 80 divided by 2. Okay, so we have a 40 millimeter. After that, select this line, mirror entities, select vertical line. Okay, select this line again, and mirror entities again. On the mirror about, you can select horizontal line, select OK. Okay, so this cut already created. After that goes the features and extrude cut again, and you can change the directions to be applied, and okay, maybe like this. Okay, look, the distance already created. After that, we can see again on this cut. This is inside of the first section hole here, with the dimension is 62 millimeter. But if we see again on this exercise, you can see on here that actually this section have a shell on the border here, or the edge here, and the distance is 2 millimeter from this hole, and the thickness is 5 millimeter. Okay, so we can create this sketch. We can create just one on this side, wherever you want. You can create on this cat or this I'm sorry, from this face or this face, whatever you want. So we can try to create this cat, select this face and sketch. After that, convert entities this line. Okay, convert entities. I'm sorry, we are not yet convert this line. Convert entities. You can try again. Sketch first. Select this face cat and convert entities this line. Okay, we can trim this line because we are not use this line. Okay, after that circle again here, and we can define the circle is 60 millimeter. Okay, we can try to 62. It's the same. We can give a 62 millimeter. Sorry, 60 millimeter. $60mm. Okay, after that we can go to features and extrude boss again and convert entities. I'm sorry, convert the directions or change the directions, and we can define 5mm. Okay, look, there are already created the shell here. Okay, after that select this face again and create a center line, vertical relations and horizontal relations, and select this circle and try again. Select this circle, select this circle, this circle, this circle, this circle, and convert entities. Okay, after that create circle again, and you can create like this. And if we see on this case, the dimension is 17mm. Okay, we can define just one circle, 17mm. Okay, after that select this outside circle and make relations equal. Okay, okay, after that goes to features and extrude cut and select blind. It's done already blind, and we can define 5mm. Okay, look, so they are already already created. After that you can go to a right plane to copy these commands, this hole just 5mm and this shell to the right sides. Okay, so you can go to mirror entities, and the mirror face you can select front plane, they are already selected, and on the features to mirror you can select this extrude and this extrude cut. Okay, look, so they are already copied to the right side. After that I want to create this hole. You can see on this cat, this hole like this, and if we see on the first cat, the total tightness from this line to this line is 40.4.5mm multiple 2, because we have a two horn on here, and the tightness is 4.5mm, so we can multiply 2 and we can plus 3mm. The 3mm is the distance of these horns. Okay, so the total is 12mm, I think. Okay, we can create this cat. We can create from this from top view maybe. Okay, I'm sorry, before we are create these horns, first we can create this extruded cut view on this hole. You can see on here, and the distance is whatever you want. Okay, and because I don't define these extrude cut sections correctly, so you can create the extrude cut on here whatever you want. Okay, you can try to create here. Select this. You can create two on, sorry, from right plane, I think. Okay, you can create on here. You can try again. Okay, after that, select this line and convert entities. Look, so they are already convert. After that, you can create center line and create center line again, like usually. After that, you can create a line like this. Just create one sketch. Okay, you can see again on the sketch. Here is the distance is 3 millimeter. Here 3 millimeter, and the distance is 49 millimeter. Okay, so we can define here to here is 3 millimeter, and the distance this line to this point is 49 millimeter divided by 2. Okay, and we can set this distance is, maybe we can define 28 millimeter. Okay, I'm sorry, I give a dimension here, and the dimension is for 24 millimeter. Sorry, you can change 24 millimeter. Okay, okay, look, so they are already created. After that, we can copy and we can mirror this line to the right side. You can go to mirror entities, or maybe we can trim first. Sorry, we can trim this line and this line too, and block all of this line. Okay, after that, goes to mirror entities, and on the mirror about, you can select vertical relations or vertical line. Okay, look, so they are already copied to the right side, and after that you can go to features again, and you can go to extrude cut, and on the direction you can select through all both, and maybe we can try again. Or maybe we can trim this line. Okay, after that goes to extrude cut, select through all both. Okay, look, so they are already created. After that you can go to, we can copy these sections, these extrude cut sections with the mirror. You can select the mirror, and front plane, on the features to mirror you can select this extrude. Okay, look, so they are already copied to the right side. Maybe on the bottom side you can select from top plane and mirror commands, and on the features to mirror you can select this extrude and this extrude. Okay, look, so they are already copied to the bottom side. Okay, After that, we can create these horns, and this horn we have a circle too, and the dimension of the circle is 7 millimeter, and the distance from this line until, I mean, we can zoom this, sorry, we cannot zoom this 4 point, and the distance is 5.9 millimeter. Okay, we can create from, maybe you can try to from, I think, right plane. Okay, you can select right plane and sketch. Okay, after that you can select this circle and convert entities. Sorry, maybe we can delete this circle. Okay, like this. Maybe we can change the view with the hidden lines visible, maybe like this. After that, you can select this line and convert entities. Okay, first we can measure first the distance of this line to this line to create the circle with the same value with this totaling of this uh, side. Can go to measures and select maybe this line. Okay, and the dimension is 11.5 millimeter. Okay, after that you can go to features or sketch and create center line. Okay, like this, and create circle, and we can define. Okay, they are already defined. Okay, 11.5 millimeter. After that line, connected this point and this point, this point and this point too. Okay, after that we can trim this line and this line. Okay, and we can define the distance is 5.92 millimeter. Okay, I'm sorry, we are wrong to give a dimensions. You can try again. I mean that from this point to this point is 5.92 millimeter. Okay, and the hole dimension of hole is 7 millimeter. Circle, and we can define 7 millimeter. Okay, okay, so they are already created. After that we can turn to be a solid sections like this. Okay, and goes to features and extrude and select mid plane, and we can define 4.5 multiple 2, we have 9 millimeter plus 3 millimeter. Okay, look, so they are already created. After that, select this front plane, and on the features command you can select mirror, and features to mirror you can select this boss extruded. Okay, you can try again. Mirror again, you can select top plane and select this boss extrude and mirror. Sorry, we can select features to mirror first. Select this boss and the mirror. Okay, look, so there are already mirroring to the other sides. After that, you can select this side and sketch and create center line again. Okay, like this, and select this circle, convert entities. Okay, and create circle like this. Sorry, let's try again. Okay, okay. We can just create a one center line here, or one line here, and we can try to same way, 3 mm divided by 2. So we have 3 mm. So we have 1.5 mm. I'm sorry. After that, mirror entities again and select this line and this line. And on the mirror above, you can select this vertical line. Okay. And we can trim this line because we are not use this line. Okay. So they are already created. After that, goes to features again and extrude cut. And on the direction, you can select to up to neck. Sorry, you can try again. Up to neck. And okay. Look, so they are already created to be a separate sections. After that, you can try to asymmetric view. It's isometric view. Sorry. After that, you can go to mirror command and you can select front plane. Features to command, you can select this extrude. You can delete this mirror. Okay. Mirror again. On features to mirror, select again this mirror and this cut extrude. On the mirror face, you can select top plane. Okay, look, so they are already created. Okay, after that we can create this horn 2 here, and if you see on the finishing sketch on the exercise, you can see on here like this the visualization of the sections. And if you see on the sketch, we have two hole here, separate hole. The first separate hole is the dimension is 10 mm, and this hole, center hole, is 8 mm, and the distance from center point of this hole until this line is 6 mm. Okay, we can create from this face whatever you want. You can create from this face or back face. Okay, we can create center line again. Okay, and circle again. We can create two circle, and we can define here. I'm sorry, we can create central line again like this and like this. Okay, after that we can give a dimension. The inside is 8 mm and the outside is 10 mm. Okay, the distance is 6 mm. Okay, maybe we can select this point and this line and midpoint. Okay, you can see again here. After that, we can trim entities this line because we are not use this line. Okay, look, so they're already created. After that, you can go to features again and extrude boss. Change the directions. There are already 12 mm. Select. Okay, look, So they are already created. After that, you can go to mirror again, and on the mirror page you can select front plane. Mirror features to mirror, you can select extrude. Sorry, you can tell here. You can tell it this extrude and select this extrude boss. Okay, mirror again, and on the mirror face you can select right plane. Okay, look, so they are already copy. After that, if you see the tiling of these sections, you can see on the bottom of this section solid view we have a whole floating, like a floating part here. This is a float with this face. Look, so we can give a seat to make a good visualizations to this section view. You can create from here, sketch on here. After that, you can create line like this, connected to this point and this point too, and give a straight line and make a straight line to the right and connect it to this point. Okay, and this point. Okay, okay, so they are already created. After that, goes to features and extrude boss again, and on the direction you can select up to neck, or maybe we can use up to surface, and you can select maybe we can try again. Maybe it's too difficult to select this surface, bottom surface. Maybe we can try to another way. We can delete this cat out of this cat maybe, and select from this face, exit, select this face and create scat on this face like before. You can find the center point. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, after that you can go to features again and extrude boss and change the directions and select up to neck. Okay, look, so they are already created. After that, select a front plane and mirror again, and on the features to mirror you can select boss extrude. Okay, look, so they are already copy to the right side. After that, the last part you can give a color and define the material. You can go to appearance, and on the appearance color you can select metal. Maybe I want to give this part to be with magnesium, with case magnesium. Okay, you can see this is a visualizations of this magnesium metal. Look, okay, after that we can give a fillet or chamfer, I'm sorry, to this corner of this gate. Can go to chamfer, and maybe we can define 1 millimeter to this circle, this corner. this corner too, and this corner and this corner. On the back of these sections too, here, here, this corner, and this corner. Okay, look, so they are already created chamfer. After that, we can give chamfer gain, maybe 0.5 millimeter from this point. I'm sorry, this corner too, this corner and this corner. Okay, this corner too, all of corner of this hole. Okay, one here and here, here and here, here too, and here. Okay, like okay. After that, on these two, we can give a chamfer. I'm sorry, here and here. One here too, here and here. Okay, look, so they're already created. After that, we can give a fillet on this corner too to make a TDF. Maybe we can define just 0.5 millimeter. Select this corner. Maybe we can try again. Maybe we can select this space, and this space. Okay, can try again. Maybe this is a chamber, not a fillet. We can delete this chamfer. We can try again. We can change to fillet. Select this space and this space. Sorry, let's try again. Select this space. Okay. Fillet again. Select this corner and this corner. Maybe we can delete this corner too. Okay, try again. Maybe we can select one by one. Select this corner and this corner. Okay, look, so they are already created. Sorry. After that, we can copy to the right side. Okay, we can go to mirror and front plane, and okay, they're already selected the fillet, and we can find other fillet here too. Maybe we can copy this fillet. Maybe we can try to fill itself. Select this space and this space, fill it, and okay, fill it again. Select this corner, and this corner, this corner too. Okay. Okay, after that you can give color to this fillet or chamber, and chamber can go to appearance again. After that we can define the color with red color. Sorry, you can try again. Maybe we can delete this part and select this fillet and chamber. Okay, like this one. Maybe you can select one by one, and we can give a color to a red color. Okay, look, so they are already created color. Okay, you can see on this gate, or I'm sorry, you can see on this part. They are already done the tutorial how to create 3D exercise 7. Okay. Okay, so there is a tutorial how to create 3D exercise 7 using SolidWorks. You can following my step to improve our skill to operating the master cam or inventor maybe. And if you like this video, you can like this video and give a comment, and don't forget to share. Don't forget also to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.